Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, and thank you for being here today. My name is Deng Reza Fatiha, and today I will be presenting on a topic that is very close to my heart, a threat to marine ecosystem. In this presentation, we will explore the impact of coastal and marine pollution on our ocean, the character that inhabit them, and the broader environmental consequences. I would like to extend my gratitude to our conservation is Mr. Zanzibar for the guidance thought discourse. What is pesticida? Pesticida are a chemical substrate as to kill, control, and reduce the population of pests, plants, diseases of which they can damage crop. Pesticida can be in liquid, solid organisms from are commonly as in agriculture to increase crop yields and reduce losses caused by harmful organisms. Why do pesticides become a problem in the ocean and coastal area? Pesticides become a problem in the ocean and coastal area because they can contaminate marine ecosystem, harm biodiversity, and disrupt the balance of aquatic environments. The impact is especially significant for a coastal ecosystem, which are critical habitats for many species. When pesticides enter the marine environment, they can cause long-term damage to both marine life and human health. Pesticide classification based on function and chemistry. Based on function, insecticide kill insects, example malathion and DDT. Herbicides kill weeds, example glyphosate 2.4-D. Fungicides kill fungi, example Moncaps captan. Rodicentides kill rodents, example Warpin brodifacum. Based on chemical composition, organophosphate derived from organic phosphate compounds, example Malaysian and partition. Organocolorants driven from organic caloric compounds, example DDT and then aldrin. Carbamates derived from carbonic acid, example carbyl and aldicarb. Peytorites derived from chrysanthemum plants, example capramatrine and deltamatrine. Neonicotinoids, similar to notice, they act on the insect's nervous system. Example, midlercrib and clothianide. Example of commonality as pesticida and their potential impacts. Pesticida type is a insecticide, example Malaysian DDT pyrethoids. Main function is a kill insects. Potential impact poisoning in a humans and animal nervous system, damage productive issues, and insect resistance. Herbicide glyphosate 2.4-D kill weeds. Potential impact groundwater contamination, disrupt of aquatic ecosystem with research potential cancer risk. Fungicides. Monzap captain. Main function is to kill fungi, poisoning skin and reparation, intimidation, immune system disruption. Pesticide type rodenticides, Example, warfarin, brodifacoum, kill rodents. Potential impact is a poisoning of non-target animals resistant danger to children and pets. Main source of pesticide pollution. The primary source of pesticide pollution can be categorized as follows. Agriculture. Their direct application to pesticide to crops in the larger source of pollution. During rainfall, pesticide can be carried by surface runoff into river, lakes, and even ocean. Pesticide spraying can produce aerosols that are carried by the wind, contaminating the air and surrounding environment. The primary source of pesticide pollution can be categorized as a follow industry. The chemical industry that products pesticide often generated with containing hazard chemical. Impo- Improperly treated industrial waste can contaminate soil and water. Urban area. The use of pesticide in home gardens, yards, and other green areas also contributes to pollution. Pathway to the sea. First, a river flow, as mentioned, rain can carry pesticide from agricultural and into rivers and then into the sea. Wind. Very small pesticide particles can be carried by the wind and settle on the ocean surface. Sediments. Pesticide can adhere to soil and sediment particles and be carried by water flow into the sea. Concretion and pesticide pollution load. Pesticide pollution in the environment can have significant impacts on ecosystem and human health. Factor after pesticide concretion. Type of pesticide. The type of pesticide has greatly affect how long the chemical remains in the environment. Some pesticides danger more easily, while others are more stable and persist for a long time. More stable or toxic pesticides can cause long-term pollution. Among of us, the more pesticide as the higher the concentration that can be found in the environment of worse or improper application of pesticide can increase pollution level. Factor after pesticide concentration. 3. Environmental condition. Factors such as temperature, humidity, rainfall, and soil condition can affect how pesticides are distributed and present in the environment. For example, pesticides applied to crops might danger faster if heavy rain occurs soon after application, while in dry and hot conditions the pesticide might persist longer. Bioaccumulation and biomagnification. Bioaccumulation is the process of accumulating pesticide or other harmful chemically in the body of an organism. This occurs when the organism consumes pesticide at a rate higher than it can extract or metabolize over time. The content of pesticide in the organism body can increase posing risks to its health. Biomagnification. Biomagnification is the process of increasing the concentration of pesticide or harmful chemical at each level of the food chain. For example, small organisms such as plankton or insects may contain pesticide, and when those organisms are eaten by larger predators, the pesticide concentration increases. The continues up to food chain, raising to predators such as birds of prey and larger mammals, where pesticide concentration can be very high. The impact of pesticide pollution. Coral, coral reef damage. Pesticide carried by rainwater or river runoff can pollute the ocean and damage coral reef. Chemicals in the pesticide such as coloring or pesticides disrupt and photosynthesis of algae. The coral depend for a food, leading to coral death. This disrupts the biodiversity of marine ecosystem. Marine life death. Pesticides contain toxic chemicals that can kill organisms such as fish, shellfish, and plankton. When plankton, the base of the food chain, died from contamination, it impacts the species that rely on them, like a fish and marine mammals. Disruption of the food chain. When contaminated plankton, shellfish, and small fish consumed by larger predators, the pesticide toxins continue the move up the food chain. The accumulation of toxic substances in the larger marine organism further and disrupt ecosystem stability and endangers marine biodiversity. Impact on human health. Cancer. Cancer pesticide contain carcinogenic chemicals, increasing the risk of cancer in humans, particularly for those who consume contaminated seafood or are directly exposed to these chemicals over time. Nervous system disorders. Pesticides with neurotoxic property such as organospecifics can damage the human nervous system, causing a long-term health issue like tremors, confusion, and then even paralysis if exposing insignificant reproductive disorders. Certain pesticides contain chemicals that can disturb the reproductive system in both men and women. This includes fertility problems, miscarrying of birth defects in the newborns. Pesticide pollution management. Prevention. Pesticides should only be used when necessary and in the recommended doses, promoting research and development of more selective pesticides that are less harmful to non-target organisms, implementing technologies to monitor pesticide levels in the soil, water, and the air. Control. Managing and regulating pesticides was generated by agricultural and chemical industry, cleaning and decontaminating areas exposed to pesticides through natural or physical methods, replanting vegetation and damage by pesticides to restore soil and water quality. Role of government, society, and the private sector. Establishing strict regulation and policing regarding pesticides as the providing in feeds for environmentally friendly agriculture pesticide. Education and encouraging farmers and consumers to be more aware of the dangers of pesticide pollution and the impact of environmental sustainability. Developing several environmentally friendly pesticide products and uh, investing in the research and technology for pollution management. Conclusion. Pesticides as in agriculture can cause serious pollution in the marine and the coastal environments. adversely affecting marine ecosystem and human health. Therefore, carefully management and the development of more environmentally friendly technology are essential to prevent future damage and ensure environmental sustainability. The conclude marine ecosystems are facing an alarming level of the threats due to coastal and marine pollution. If we do not take immediate and expensive action, the then the consequence for marine life and the global environmental will be devastating. In a notch, everyone to become more aware how our daily activity impacts the ocean and what steps we can take to reduce pollution and protect marine biodiversity. Uh, Thank you for attention. If you want to ask me, you can comment in the my YouTube channel. Bye.